everyone, it's 18th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. The first page we have 4 years of delays, short 87-kilometer stretch, derails rupees 1 lakh crore, Delhi-Mumbai Express Highway, again very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have air toxic, Delhi government makes 50% work from home a must, again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have for Delhi to be livable, our duty to use public transport, says CM. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have amid pollution curbs, workers gather at labour chalk only to return empty-handed. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have PM in Oman to sign free trade agreement today. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have India, Ethiopia, natural partners in peace, says Prime Minister. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have 5 kids with thalassemia, test HIV plus. Blood donors untraced, no records, again very important for health perspective. Then we have Parliament clears bill to allow 100% FDI in insurance, again very important for policy and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have dilution of rights to work, activist economist Islam, WBG RAM G bill, again very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have the editorial page where we have the marital rape exception in criminal law is a colonial relic. It needs to go. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have labor codes are rolled back of key workers protection. Again, very important for employment perspective. Moving forward, we have the explained page where we have the exports to US search, but a trade deal is still key. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have Navy inducts 2 Seahawk chopper squadron and boost to anti-sub combat, again very important for defense perspective. Then we have National Herald case, why special court ruled against ED, again very important for law perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have SEBI overhauls mutual fund norms, cut expense ratio limits. Then we have debt reduction central to fiscal policy from financial year 27, says finance minister. Then we have interest rates likely to remain low for a long period, says RBI governor. All these news are very important for economy perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Bondi gunmen charged with murder terrorism. Then we have Putin wants bill seize more land in Ukraine if US peace plan sinks. Then we have UK to join EU student exchange program for closer ties after Brexit. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.